Assalamualaikum. Our topic for today is annuity and trade and cash discount. Let's study.
Before I answer question 1, this is the formula and a little bit of information for your reference. The question 1 given said, you are assigned to set up a company and need to borrow 105,000 for loan and 12 years. There are 2 banks that you have surveyed for that loan. Below are the details of the bank. So the question has given the amount of A, which is RM 105,000, and 12 years is your T. There are 2 banks. Mama Bank charge 2.2% interest rate compounded every 4 months. So the frequency is M equal to 3. For Mama Bank, the interest rate charge is 3.3% compounded quarterly. So quarterly, the frequency is M equal to 4. So question A, calculate the credit payment and total interest charge for each bank. So for A, we know that credit payment is R. So we need to find the amount of R. The question has given your amount of A. So we will use this formula. So Mama Bank RM 105,000 equal to R, the amount that we need to find. 1 minus bracket 1 plus 2.2% divided by 3 to the power of minus 3 multiplied by 12, and then we divide again by 2.2% divided by 3. This is I, which is I equal to K over M. So when you calculate, the answer will be RM 3329.21. So for the interest charge, we will use this formula because we have the amount of A. We don't have the amount of S. So we will use second formula. So I equal to NR minus A, and we will N36 we get from this 3 multiplied by 12, then you multiply again by 3329.21, which is the R from here, and then you close the bracket, you minus 105,000, which is the amount of A, this. Then the total interest charge we get from our bank is RM 14851.56, like this. Then for Momo Bank, use the same formula, RM 105,000, same. So if you calculate, we will get 2658.03. So this is the credit payment for Momo Bank. For interest charge, use the same formula, and then how we get 48 is from 4 multiplied by 12. Then we multiply by 2658.03 from this, and then minus by 105,000. Then total interest charge we get is 22,585.44. We go for next question. Which company should you choose to borrow the loan based on your answer in A, and give your reason? I choose Mama Bank for borrow the loan since it charges lowest interest as compared to Momo Bank. As you can see, if you see the difference, Mama Bank and Momo Bank, the interest charge is 14851.56, while Momo 22,585.44. Same. So you can see which one is the lowest. Right? So I will choose Mama Bank. Next, answer the following questions C and D depending on the bank you selected in D. So the bank I selected in D is Mama Bank, right? So C, if you fail to make the first payment, how much should you pay on the sixth payment to settle all the outstanding areas? So the question asks you to find the amount of S. S is future value. So you use the same amount of R, which is 3329.21, because you have selected Mama Bank. So you need to use Mama Bank amount. And then the difference here is 6, which is the question asks you to how much should you pay on the 6th payment. So you need to write 6, which is the end. Then minus 1 divided by 2.2% divided by 3. And then if you calculate, you will get RM 20,345.07. So next, last question is D. If you want to settle all the loan immediately after paying for 8 years, calculate the amount you need to pay. So the amount you need to pay, you need to find the amount of A, which is present value, right? So R we still use the same amount, which is 3329.21. And we still use the same amount of I, but we change the amount of N, which is the answer as 8 years. So we change the T. T we change to 8. And then if you calculate, you will get 70,028 ringgit point 15. For total interest paid, we will use I equal to NR minus A, since we have the amount of A here. So the amount of N we take from this 8 multiplied by 3, and then you multiply again to 33 to 9.21, which is the same amount of R here, and then you minus by the amount of A here. And then if you calculate, you will get RM 6880.89.
So for my part, I'm going to discuss about question 2. The table below shows two manufacturers that offer a discount for item S. So from this timetable, they're given two manufacturers, amount of trade discount and amount of list price per unit in ringgit Malaysia. So as you guys can see, they're given trade discount, they're given list price. So definitely it is from topic trade and cash discount. Before we're going to discuss about this question, let's study first about trade and cash discount. Okay, I will show you guys three important formula that we have to know in trade and cash discount. So for the first formula is, I simplify the term, which is D stand for trade discount, LP is list price, and NP is net price. So the formula is trade discount equal to list price minus net price. Same goes to this one, which is net price equal to list price minus D, which is trade discount. Okay, for the second formula is D trade discount equal to LP list price minus TDR. What is TDR? TDR is trade discount rate. Third formula is net price equal to list price bracket 1 minus D percentage bracket. D is actually what? Okay, D is R, stand for R, which is rate. But let's continue to our question. If you want to buy item S, which manufacturers should you choose? And give your reason. Okay, so from this question, they ask us to choose which manufacturers and give our reason why we choose that manufacturer. From this timetable, they're given amount of trade discount and list price, but we don't have any information about net price. So we have to determine first which formula that we can use. Okay, is that first formula we can use? No. Why? Because it has amount of net price, but for our question there is no information about net price. So for the first formula we can use in this question. Okay, second formula maybe, and third formula no. Why? Because we don't have any information about net price, so we need to use the second formula. Let's do for super senior first. So put in this formula, which is D trade discount equal to list price minus trade discount rate. Okay, so super senior, the trade discount equal to list price, which is the list price is 820.50 cent minus trade discount rate. How to calculate trade discount rate? List price times with D, which is discount rate. So the discount rate is, trade discount is 9%. So 820.50 cent minus 820.50 cent times with 0.09. And then you've got the answer, 746.66 cents. And then follow for shiny using the same formula, which is trade discount equal to list price minus trade discount rate. So the trade discount is 920.50 cent minus with list price 920.50 cent times with trade discount 11%, 0.11. Then you've got the answer, 890.25. So the answer asks which manufacturer should you choose and give your reason. So as a buyer, you should choose amount of payment that are more profitable, right? So the answer is, I will choose super senior because the amount of payment that I need to pay is less than shiny, which is amount of payment is more profitable for me as a buyer. As you can see here, amount of payment for super senior is more less than shiny.
Question 3. A wholesaler gives trade discounts 20%, 15% and 7% to his regular customers. A. Find a single discount that is equivalent to the trade discount given. The formula is from R equal to 1 minus R1, 1 minus R2 and 1 minus R3. So R equal to 1 minus 20%, 1 minus 15% and 1 minus 7%. So the answer for A is 36.76%. B. If the net price of the item is 505 ringgit, calculate the list price. So the formula for B is net price equal to list price minus trade discount. 505 equal to X minus 0.3676X. So we get 505 equal to 0.6324X. Next, X equal to 505 per 0.3624, and the last answer is 798.55 ringgit.
So now let's move on to question number 4, which is the last question. But first thing, we have to know what is trade discount and cash discount. First, trade discount is to supply at the point of sales, not documented in the books, and the primary goal is to boost sales. And cash discount is the main objective is to issue fast payment, giving at the moment of payment, and the last one is documented in the books. Question number 4. An invoice date 20 February 2021 for 7,800 ringgit, inclusive of handling charge of 18 ringgit, offer 11% and 7% trade discount, and cash discounts term 8 per 15, 4 per 20, and N per 30. So we have to find A, the trade discount offer, B, the cash discount offer if the invoice is paid on 11 March 2021, and the last one is the net payment if the invoice is paid on 6 March 2021. First, we need to find the trade discount offer. So we know that handling charge is 80 ringgit, trade discount given are 11% and 7%, which is 0.11 and 0.07. So we know that handling charge of 80 ringgit is not a discount item. So 7,800 minus 18 equal RN 7720. The formula is trade discount equal D bracket list price bracket. So for the first trade discount is equal 0.11 bracket 7720 bracket equal RM 849.2, and for the second trade discount is equal 0.07 bracket C at 70.8 bracket equal RM 418.96. So we have to plus 849.2 plus 418.96. So we get trade discount is RM 1330.16. The second question is cash discount offer if the invoice is paid on 11 March 2021. So we know 20 February until 11 March is 19 days. Since the payment is made 19 days from the date of invoice, the buyer only get the 4% cash discount. So the formula is cash discount offer equal cash discount rate bracket list price minus trade discount bracket equal 0.04 bracket 7720 minus 1330.16 bracket equal RM 255.59. The last question is the net payment if the invoice is paid on 6 March 2021. So we know that 20 February until 6 March is 14th day. Since the payment is made 14 days after the date of invoice, the buyer get the 8% cash discount. So the formula is net payment equal list price bracket 1 minus R1 bracket 1 minus R2 bracket and bracket 1 minus C bracket plus handling charge. So we replace the number we get equal 7720 bracket 1 minus 0.11 bracket 1 minus 0.07 bracket 1 minus 0.08 bracket plus 18 equal 5878.66 plus 18. We get net payment is RM 5958.65.